As a brand lead for SheaMoisture in Canada, it is an absolute privilege to be working on this brand.
We're here today at the SheaMoisture Dreamfund event celebrating our 2023 grant recipients. An amazing time for us, something that we've really looked forward to for the whole year. Our Dreamfund program was started last year with the intention of celebrating, honoring and investing in Black female entrepreneurs in Canada. Fully recognizing that of all the entrepreneurs we have in this country, they're the most disproportionately affected, especially when it comes to accessing capital, accessing mentoring, coaching, and even just business services that they can actually access to be able to spur their businesses to the next level. This year, we received over 300 applications from different applicants all over this country, a very high caliber of candidates from all industries.
These women who entered this competition and the winners here tonight are a force to be reckoned with.
My name is Andria Barrett, and I'm the founder of the Diversity Agency. So I run a speakers bureau and a consulting firm. So our partnership with SheaMoisture is something that's really special to me. I remember, when you're a little girl and you can't find the right products for your hair, you sometimes had to cross the border to go get that SheaMoisture because that's the stuff you needed for your hair. SheaMoisture recognizes that Black female entrepreneurs face more barriers and needed some help. I'm really proud to be a part of the team that is awarding grants. We are putting money into their hands.
Our 5 winners were carefully selected, not only by a panel of 8 judges that we put together, but also the community. We put this out on social media and people voted for them, and then we brought them in here today so that they can feel the energy in the room, they can feel the energy from the Black community. I keep saying this is great work that the brand continues to do because we are rooted in entrepreneurship. Our business model today allows us to invest in entrepreneurship because we believe it is the tool that will help us to generate wealth for the Black community and in turn transform our communities.
And these winners, these women and their applications were powerful. They told us how we could help them. They told us what they could do with this $10,000, how it could benefit their business, benefit them personally, and support the community. So next step, now that they've got their checks, we'll be matching them with coaches and helping them scale up and get to the next step in their business so that they can encourage and nurture the next generation of entrepreneurs.
I always like to say that I'm not a role model, I'm a possibility model. You don't have to do exactly what I've done, but you can see it can be done.
Here's to Black female entrepreneurs and succeeding because they are the powerful women in our community who are going to transform us and make sure that we close the racial wealth gap that exists today. Thank you very much.